Yep, as you can see it, I am in Papa Smurf. I am driving right now. Check me out. Woo-hoo-hoo. You know what I mean? Hear that thing? Woo. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So right now I'm in Papa Smurf. As you can see, I am actually on my way to C&D Autotech to see my buddy Chuck. And you know, like I keep telling everybody, this car is a street car. Chuck's shop is about 2 hours away from my house, and as you can see, I'm driving. You feel me? I'm driving. You know, IX is very low. If you can't really see that, it's like 90 degrees, something like that. But yeah, but anyway, I'm on my way to Chuck's, man, and we're just gonna do some regular maintenance, man. This is very important, like I said in the last video, you know, to do, you know, your regular routine checks. We're gonna replace the fuel pumps today. My fuel pumps are about roughly almost 4 years old. We had put them in back in 2018, and you know, it's time to put in some fresh fuel pumps. You know, the car sits a lot. That's not good for the fuel pumps. When there's gas in it, it's not good for the fuel pumps. So, you know, I think it's a good maintenance to change the fuel pumps every so often, you know, because fuel pumps are very cheap. You know, they're about 150 bucks each. I only have two. I have dual 265 pumps in the back. I'm probably putting in 285s because, you know, new technology, the newer ones are bigger now. But like I said, it's always good to do those little routines, man, because, you know, those are the little common failures sometimes in these cars, especially when you make big power. So it's either you spend, you know, $400 or $500 to replace a few pumps every so often, we'll say every like year or two, or every 2 years, or you want to change your motor. God forbid you're going down the track, and when your fuel pumps goes out, kaboom. Yeah, so yeah, I'm not about that 20 grand life. I'd rather spend the 500 bucks, replace a few pumps, put some fresh ones in there every so often. It's a good peace of mind. Also, have your injectors clean on a regular basis. That's very super important, especially if you're running E85. You know, so these injectors are brand new. So I'll probably get these clean probably in the middle of the summertime, another few months. They're not even a year old, haven't it in a year yet. So, but yeah, that's where we are, man. So I hope to catch up with you guys when we get to the shop. I have another maybe half an hour drive, but hey, look, the car drives amazing, man. I mean, it's a little loud, but what you expect? It's what you do. You want to make power. You can't have no soft ass car being all quiet. You gotta be loud with all the sauce. You know, I have no cats. I don't want no restrictions on this bad boy. And as you can see, it's a beast, man, and it's driving. Another thing we're gonna do too, while we're in there, is probably change the fuel sender. As you can see, my fuel sender is on, but it's been on since a half a tank, and that's not good. You know, fuel sender is supposed to usually come on around, sorry about that, the camera's all shaky because I don't have a holder and I don't have anyone with me. But yeah, the fuel sender light should come on, you know, roughly around a quarter of a tank of gas. Mine comes on when it's over a half a tank and put 45 miles to empty. So yeah, it's about time to change that fuel sender. Like I said, the car's a 2010. I had it since 2010. So, you know, it's a little maintenance things that you gotta do, but it's actually a nice little drive. It's only 63 degrees outside. You know, I still got these Mickey slicks in the back. You know, they're not too bad to drive on. You know, Mickey said they're streetable, so I'm driving 2 hours down the highway, so yeah, it's not bad, man. But yeah, man, but guys, this thing, man, it's his 5th gear. You know, 5th gear, and she just wants to boogie. I'm not even partial throttle. She just wants to boogie, and I'm doing 100 right there on partial throttle. So yeah, that's where we are, man. But anyways, I will check back in with you guys when I get to the shop. All right. What's going on, everybody? We're over here. We finally made it at C&D Autotech with my man Chuck. As you can see, he wastes no time. He wastes no time, man, ripping out this damn fuel hat. Sorry out already. Getting it done. The new pumps in. I'll be back on my merry little way. But yeah, man, you got a lot of cool cars over here. A lot of big cars, man. How you like the new Mustang, the new dyno? New hub dynos is real nice. You can hide them, put them away, roll them out when you need them. He does it all. It's Bronco. Always got cars in here. Chucky Chuck, got you on camera, man. You know it's early in the morning. I'm sure you're used to this already.
You know. Yeah, you got me trained real early.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? He's always on the Staying Mode's channel.
Hey, I was on your channel first.
Yeah, he was, yes, but hey. I'm not a big YouTuber like those guys. You know, I have to do it for fun. So everyone always can see what's going on with the car.
Yep.
So they can ask less questions and watch the videos, but.
So we're upgrading your pumps today.
Yes.
These are a few years old.
Yep.
So this is a 4 double hat.
It's not bad, man. Rather change pumps on the regular than change motors.
Mm-hmm.
You know?
Oh, believe me, I do.
Extra maintenance, guys. Maintenance, man. Just because you got to, you know, just because you got aftermarket fuel pumps, you think you all golden and stuff like that. Hey, look, everything needs to be changed every once in a while. Especially like me, I don't drive the car as much. The car sits. That's not good either. You know, but yeah, we can put some fresh pumps in this bad boy. We be back good, man.
Real good.
Yeah, we be back good. But yeah, man, what you guys think of the new Bronco, man? Look at this thing. Love the color. Love the color. Got the B locks on there, huh? You just packaged it all up, didn't you?
Yeah, that's factory.
Factory B locks.
They're not true B locks.
Right. But hey, it's all right. No one needs to know that.
The only thing I've done with that is got B locks color match.
Nice. So this is Chuck's Bronco. Love it, man. I actually like it now, like with this setup, with the 2-door, because you know, when you see these, the regular base model 2-door, they look funky. You know, but this actually looks good. This actually looks good.
Man, I'm glad we pulled these apart.
Oh yeah?
Unless that just stuck from unscrewing. That might have been the case.
Oh. Okay. Always gotta check these things out, guys.
Yeah, these secure the 2 elements together, and I don't know if it's just from unscrewing the one caused the other one to loosen or what.
Routine check, guys. Check your fuel pumps. You don't want to blow motors. Check your fuel pumps, clean your injectors, especially if you're running E85. Especially if you're running E85. Back to the Bronco, man. I love this thing. Definitely will get a 4-door.
Yeah, the 4-door is nice. I think the 4-door looks a little tougher.
Yeah.
Especially with the top off and the doors off.
Right.
But being a big guy, I had to go 2-door because the doors are longer.
Got you. I remember you telling me about that. So the 2-door, the door is longer, right? Yeah, because...
It's dirty in there.
Yeah, it's all right.
Don't mind the inside.
Love how when you open the door and all this display stuff come up. That's awesome. Damn, Ford. Outdid yourself, then you, Ford.
V8.
Nice. V8, man. Put a little coyote in there. Yeah, it looks real good. But yeah, man. Chuck is always working on something. Always a full house here. Always a full house.
Stop.
Go. But all right, guys, I'm gonna let Chuck get back to it. We'll check back in with you guys once we get everything back in. And yeah, see you in a little bit. Peace. What's going on, guys? Checking back in. Chunk finished installing the new pumps inside the hat. Now putting the hat back in the car. Everything looks nice and good. Still don't know how Chuck fits in these, doing this all the time like this. My back would be killing me, I'm sure his would. But yeah, new hats are in. Changed the fuel sender. We made sure the fuel sender works. So as you can see, it does.
It's actually not hooked up at the moment.
Oh, it's not hooked up right now, but yeah, we checked already. We checked already, so here we are. And like I said before, we had 267 or 265 pumps in there, and went with 285s, you know, more flow, a little bit bigger, but maintenance is the key, guys. You don't want to have failed parts for something stupid. So it's only a few $100 for $500. It's better than spending 15, 18, 20 grand on a new motor, which I done did 3 times already. So yeah, little things like this, man. So guess we're gonna check this video back out, but just wanted to share that. Like I said, Chuck always has a full house, you know, another Shelby on the hubs, you know. But yeah, just wanted to share, you know, this small little things right here that we do to make sure everything stays up to par, so when it's time to lay that pedal down, we have no issues. So yeah, hopefully check back in soon and come with you another video, something more fun and better than this. But hey, it's this educational purposes, right? So check back, you guys, hit that like, hit that subscribe button. I holla. Peace.